Dear students, welcome you all to today's video. As you all know, tense অর্থাৎ কাল হল প্রধানকৈ তিনি প্রকাৰৰ present tense, past tense and future tense. These three tenses are further divided into four types each. So all total in English language we have 12 tenses. So in today's video, let's talk about simple present tense. In this video, you will learn two things. One, when do we use the simple present tense? And secondly, what are the usual time expression in the simple present tense? অর্থাৎ আমি simple present tense কেতিয়া ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয় আৰু simple present tenseত সময় বুজাবলৈ ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা শব্দবোৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টোত জানিম। Before starting with the objective, let's have a look at the simple present tense form of the verb play. In this chart, you can see the form of the verb play is same in all the three persons except in third person, where instead of play we are using plays. Next, let's talk about what is simple present tense. Simple present tense কি হয় আৰু simple present tense কেতিয়া ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়? And the answer is we use simple present tense to talk about what usually happens in the present. অৰ্থাৎ সাধাৰণতে বৰ্তমান কালত হোৱা কাম বুজাবলৈ আমি simple present tense ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁ। Now let's discuss about this tense in detail. To indicate permanent situations and eternal truths, simple present tense is used. অৰ্থাৎ স্থায়ী বা চিৰসত্য ঘটনা বুজাবলৈ simple present tense ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়। For example, the sun rises in the east, সূৰ্যটো পূব দিশত উদয় হয়। Secondly, নিয়মিত কাৰ্য বা অভ্যাস বুজাবলৈ simple present tense ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়। যেনে I go for a walk every morning. মই প্ৰত্যেকটো পুৱাই প্ৰাতঃভ্ৰমণ কৰিবলৈ যাওঁ। Thirdly, to indicate timetable and scheduled events also we use simple present tense. For example, the train to Delhi leaves at 5:30. Simple present tense is also used as commentaries during a sporting event like football match. Football খেলৰ দৰে খেলবোৰৰ commentaries to simple present tense ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়। For example, X passes the ball to Y, Y passes it to Z, etc. We can also use simple present tense to introduce quotation and to refer to what was communicated in the past. অৰ্থাৎ কোনো এটা উক্তি লিখিবলৈ লওঁতেও simple present tense ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা হয়। For example, it says in the Bible, thou shalt not steal. Here and there সৈতে আৰম্ভ হোৱা ভাৱবোধক চেণ্টেন্সতো simple present tense ব্যৱহাৰ হয়। For example, here he comes. Now, let's have a look at the common time expressions used in simple present tense. To mention a few, we can talk about seldom, often, every month, every weekend. So these are some of the usual time expressions that we can use in simple present tense. So wherever there is a time expressions like always, usual, often, then you should know that this sentence is in simple present tense. So this is all for today. Hope you like my video. See you next lesson.